with another Vlogmas. I believe this is number 7, y'all. This vlog is gonna be all over the place though because I am on the move. Do you hear me? I almost barely had time to even pick up the camera today. It's already like 4:30 in the afternoon, or almost really evening time, and just now picking up the camera. But me and Ann are on our way to a birthday party. Girl, I don't even know these people, but it's Nini's friends and it's 2 children, and I'm like, well, let's do it, because I like to have Ann around other kids because she never gets to be around other kids besides the kids at her school program. So I love being able to put her around other children, like in a more homely, kind of less formal setting, so that she can be more socialized and stuff like that. So that's what we're doing. She's actually really sleepy because she skipped her nap today, so she is just delirious. So we're gonna try to figure that thing out. I got my little festive headband, so it's gonna be a fun time. But yeah, Ann is, look, she's taking her hat off. Ann is not really feeling this. She's hungry, so you know, we need to eat as soon as we get there. So it's kind of a hot mess, but we're gonna try to make it work. Y'all, Ann is a diva. I love it though. And she gets to see her best friend Preston. She loves us some Preston girls, so we are gonna go regardless. We're gonna make it work. So if this vlog turns out to be a spicy mess, then that's just what it is. You know, it's real life. And Anthony is at work as usual, you guys. It's a really busy time for him right now. And my mom is actually still at my house. She's cleaning, you guys. She is in the mood. She's like, listen, this house needs to be cleaned, da 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 da. Usually we hire a cleaning lady that comes pretty regularly, but my mom was like, I'll do it. And so I was like, okay. So hopefully we'll come back to a really clean house, you guys. My mom cleans really, really good, and she's so sweet to offer to do this for us, and I really needed it, y'all. I've been so busy. Y'all know this. I've been so busy. So I'm back home from the party. I didn't vlog it because I didn't know anyone, and it seemed a little inappropriate, but it was a really good party. It was like a Sesame Street theme. They had a live Elmo character running around, and woke up from her nap. She went to sleep in the car. She woke up, she played, she ate cake, she just did all that stuff. So she's back there getting her pajamas put on back there. And she's probably gonna be going to sleep really soon because her nap was cut all the way short, but she was loving it. There she is. Anyway, I received my cabinet that I was telling you guys about for the bathroom. It came, I guess today or yesterday, I don't know. Anthony got it and brought it up here. It was in the corner. I'm like, when did my cabinet get here? Thanks for telling me. So I'm about to see if I can put it together right quick, because I want my cabinet up. It's the only way I'm gonna be able to get rid of all of this stuff in these boxes that have been here since we've moved in, because there's nowhere to put them. We have some stuff in these things, but you know, I don't want to overcrowd my vanity cabinet. I want to have something that is specific for stuff like, you know, tissue and cotton balls and Q-tips and blow dryers and curl wands and stuff like that. As you guys can see, my mom is still cleaning up the place. She stopped and went to go chill downstairs and have a drink, but man, she's done a really good job so far. And this is some of the stuff that I bought from like Target and Amazon and blah, 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 that I'm gonna be putting in the cabinet. Yeah, it was mostly just storage containers, just trying to figure out the look. And then I got some sponges and stuff. So just trying to get the look together. So with these things, you guys remember this from my other Vlogmas when I was in Target and stuff? And I figured I'd put my tampons in this thing. Maybe, I don't know, we'll see. And then cotton balls, of course. And then some of my bath sea salt stuff. You know, little candle and whatnot. So this is just some stuff I was just gathering, and I've just been putting everything over here. Just been putting everything all over here because there's nowhere else to put anything. And then once my cabinet is up, I'll put everything in there. What you doing, Ann? You looking for Dottie? He went in there. There he is! There he is! Aww. Hey, styrofoam, it'd be everywhere. But you know, I'll get it up. As long as, you know, it's all contained in this one area, it'll be fine. But I hate styrofoam. Maybe you stop packing stuff with styrofoam. Let's see what we need in order to accomplish this. We need a screwdriver. That's what it's looking like, a screwdriver. I was telling my dad about this cabinet And I was like, oh, this is gonna be easy to put together. On the website where I ordered it, it said easy to put together. And he was like, oh, they always say that. But I was like, no, Dad, but the reviews said it was easy to put together. Like, not the, you know, manufacturer or the seller. The reviews, the customer said it was easy to put together. And I'm looking at it and it doesn't look hard, but when you need a screwdriver and stuff, and we need a Phillips. And we do have a Phillips down there. These are all the parts all spread out everywhere. Just trying to stay organized with all of the labels and stuff. So I got everything laid out here. This damn styrofoam box. But anyway, let's see how quickly I can do this. I took my ring and my watch off. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes using a screwdriver can be really intimidating with putting together a piece of furniture, and I'm just speaking for myself when I say that, but when they already have the perforations in the wood, it makes it a lot easier. I'm predicting that this will probably take me 40 minutes. The cabinet, put some stuff in it just to see how it was gonna look, but this is kind of what I was doing when I was buying all those containers and stuff. So I still have to figure out how I want to do it, but it has a nice little drawer for like private stuff. This will be obviously for towels. In here I'll fill that up with towels, and then there's some private cabinet here for like personal stuff. So I will be working on this tomorrow, organizing all this stuff in the morning.
Oh, what you talking about?
Oh, on my video I told them that dry hands run in the family from you. So here you go, Dad.